Always struggling to connect your phone to your car's audio? Or tired of those cheap Bluetooth adapters that drop connection, sound poor, or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the Imden C57 FM Transmitter Car Bluetooth Adapter, a sleek and versatile car accessory designed for effortless connectivity on the road. From streaming your favorite playlist to making crystal clear hands-free calls and charging devices, it ensures a smooth and reliable driving experience every time. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Imden C57 Car Bluetooth Adapter. User Manual. Specifications. How to use. Insert the adapter into your car's cigarette lighter socket. Once connected, the LED display will light up. To set it up, choose FM frequency on your car radio. Then use the adapter's controls to match the same frequency. For pairing, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, search for C57, and tap to connect. Once connected, it will automatically reconnect whenever you start the car. To play music, stream wirelessly from your phone via Bluetooth, or simply insert a USB drive. For hands-free calling, press the call button to answer or end a call with ease. You can also keep your devices powered with the dual USB ports, including a QC 3.0 fast charging port for quick and safe charging. That's it. Plug in, tune, pair, and enjoy wireless music, clear calls, and fast charging with the Imden C57 Bluetooth Car Adapter. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.